Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos using tortilla wraps. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and cut 8-inch tortillas into triangles, then toss with a light oil and salt. Arrange in a single layer on a baking sheet, sprinkle shredded cheese, then add toppings halfway through baking for best melt. Finish with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and a drizzle of your favorite hot sauce for bright, bold flavor. Start by prepping everything so assembly is fast and tidy. Shred cheese, chop veggies, and warm any proteins so they are ready to go. Crisp tortilla triangles evenly by tossing with a small amount of oil, then spread out so heat circulates. Layer cheese under and over toppings for gooey coverage, and reserve fresh ingredients to add after baking for texture contrast and bright flavor that keeps each bite interesting and balanced. If you're enjoying this nachos guide, please subscribe and like to help more easy recipes reach your kitchen. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with saving for fun weekly treats like homemade nachos. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your nachos straight from the oven while cheese is molten and tortillas are crisp. Offer bowls of salsa, crema, and jalapenos so people control their spice and texture. Experiment with themes like BBQ chicken, black bean and corn, or breakfast nachos with scrambled eggs for morning gatherings. Slice limes and scatter cilantro for brightness, and remember to use a sturdy spatula to lift shared portions without making a cheesy mess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.